Dreaming of that new skin, but your bucks balance is drier than the desert? Let's turn that Visa gift card into sweet in-game currency. First things first, boot up Fortnite on your preferred platform. This method works whether you're on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch. The core steps are the same. Okay, head over to the main menu screen where you see all the different game modes. Now, we need to find our way to the Bucks purchase page. Look for the Bucks icon, usually located at the top right corner of your screen. You should see your current Bucks balance displayed there. Click on that icon, or the button next to it to buy Bucks. This will whisk you away to the Bucks purchase options here. You'll see different bundles of Bucks at varying prices. Choose the amount that fits your gift card balance and your desired in-game goodies. Make sure the Buck amount can be covered by the gift card. Now comes the most important part. You'll be presented with payment options. Select the credit card option. Even though it's a gift card, Visa gift cards are processed as credit cards. Enter your Visa gift card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Being very careful to double-check all the numbers. Make sure to use the billing address associated with the gift card if it prompts you. Boom! Review your order one last time and click Confirm Purchase, or whatever button your platform uses to finalize the transaction. If all your details are correct, you should see a confirmation screen saying payment successful. Now get out there and rock that new skin. Your new Bucks are ready to be spent on all the latest and greatest cosmetics Fortnite has to offer.